In the realm of possibility, where spirituality and abundance intertwine, lies the answer to a question that has echoed through the ages. Can you truly take control of your finances and become your own bank? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. So, let us embark on a journey of discovery, where we break free from the shackles of traditional banking and embrace the path of self-sufficiency. Release the attachment to hoarding your wealth within the confines of banks for extended periods. This is not a call to sever all ties or abandon their services entirely. Let's explore alternative paths, especially for those who hold substantial sums of money in checking or savings accounts. Picture the liberation of quicker access to your money. Certain indexed universal life insurance policies offer the possibility of tapping into the liquid cash value of your initial contribution. Tax-free policy loans become gateways to your funds, even during the earliest stages. Gone are the days of waiting in anticipation. And with index strategies offering average returns of 7% or much more, and the option to pledge collateral cash for tax-free indexed policy loans at 5% or lower, you maintain unfettered access to your financial resources. Privatized banking using cash accumulation optimized indexed universal life insurance policies provide a solid foundation, ensuring flexibility and early access to funds. Seek solace in the knowledge that index universal life policies utilize hedging techniques, safeguarding you from potential losses. With each passing year, the balance between protection and growth is maintained, allowing you to navigate the currents of the financial world with grace. Let us journey through an example. Imagine possessing a $100,000 certificate of deposit, locked away for 5 years, earning a modest 2% interest. Alas, your heart longs for a new car, priced at $40,000. Breaking the CD would disrupt the flow of interest earned, causing a loss of momentum. You approach your banker and inquire about pledging the CD as collateral for a loan. In doing so, you preserve the total interest earned while obtaining the funds necessary for your dream car. The bank charges 4% interest on the loan, resulting in a 2% net loss over what you're earning on the CD. A profit for the bank, but a loss for you. Wouldn't you agree? Participating loans within indexed universal life policies dance to a familiar tune, yet carry a unique rhythm. The returns on your investments remain steadfast, irrespective of whether a loan is taken out or not. The only cost you encounter is the loan interest. However, while IUL loan rates may reach up to approximately 5%, some index strategies offer returns of 7% or even much more in average in the long term. Keep in mind that policy expense charges accompany this journey. Yet, through the dance of time, positive arbitrage may reveal itself, often taking a number of years for the cumulative index credits to surpass policy charges and accrued loan interest. In this case, you keep the profit, not the bank. As we explore the depths of participating loans, we uncover a realm of abundant potential. Positive leverage becomes our guiding star, where the collateral backing your loan outpaces the loan amount itself. A cushion of extra coverage envelops you, providing solace and security. By skillfully planning and keeping the loan balance at a reasonable percentage of the account value, you create a path where repayment becomes unnecessary during your lifetime. In the event of your transition, the proceeds from your life insurance policy are typically income tax-free. The proceeds first pay off any outstanding policy loans, leaving a significant financial legacy for your designated beneficiary. The intangible becomes tangible, offering comfort and peace of mind. And for those facing long-term disability or chronic illness, or needing long-term care, policies may offer further benefits. The space for growth within an indexed universal life policy knows no bounds, providing reassurance for policyholders and their loved ones. Let us now turn our focus to the world of commerce, where businesses find themselves embracing the light. By utilizing privatized banking via an indexed universal life insurance policy through a 409(a) plan to selected key personnel, companies can weave a tapestry of possibilities. Retaining valuable staff through the allure of golden handcuffs ensures continuity, while providing an alternative vessel for the company's cash. Retirement planning finds new meaning as privatized banking via an IUL presents a compelling alternative to the conventional 401(k) plan. Reflect upon your journey thus far and consider this revelation. To safeguard your savings, to nourish your business's cash flow, your own privatized banking using indexed universal life insurance policy beckons. Release your treasures from the confines of traditional accounts, for within an IUL, your investments flourish. No longer shall negative net interest cloud your path. Embrace the potential for accelerated growth. Embrace the tapestry of financial self-reliance. Through the power of an indexed universal life insurance policy, you emerge as the architect of your own destiny. Immediate access to a significant portion of your money becomes your divine right through the instrument of tax-free policy loans. And behold, the interest on these loans is often offset, or even surpassed, by the growth of the collateral that secures them, symbolic of the abundant universe in which we reside. Embrace this arrangement, for it blesses you with insurance coverage and abundance. Such is the harmony of financial prosperity. A transformation awaits you, a metamorphosis from the realm of eternal taxation to the embrace of tax-free growth. Allow your investments to flourish, untethered by the chains of income tax. Just as the previous generation could have chosen a different path, so too can you choose a sanctuary that offers the gift of tax-free growth. May you find solace in the realms of spiritual abundance, where financial liberation unfolds as your birthright. Remember, seek the wisdom of the right advisors to align your journey with the greater cosmic plan. Embrace the flow of financial empowerment by guiding you on the path of prosperity and abundance. Let's hear from Ed Slott, the nation's CPA. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional advice.
Let's switch gears to another way to eliminate huge taxes: life insurance. Just so you know, I say it on every program, I do not sell life insurance. I don't sell stocks, bonds, funds, annuities. I'm a tax advisor and an educator. And as a tax advisor, I'm advising you to take advantage of the single biggest benefit in the tax code, and that is the tax exemption for life insurance. You've heard me talk about the incredible leverage and tax-free benefits of life insurance, mainly for your heirs, and that payoff is big. You turn relatively small amounts of taxable money into a tax-free windfall for your family. They'll end up with millions more than you ever had, all tax-free. It's truly the best tax leverage available under the tax code, but it's actually better than you think, especially if you're thinking, what's in it for me? Anyone thinking that? In these volatile and uncertain times, you need to focus on investments that give you control, options, flexibility, and certainty. And you want to remove both stock market risk and tax risk. And you want a guarantee. And you want it all tax-free. That's a tall order. But you can get all of that with certain kinds of permanent life insurance. Most people think of life insurance as something that pays off after you're dead. That's true. But what if I told you that you could have tax-free access to your life insurance during your lifetime, so you could use it for yourself? You could begin moving large amounts of money from taxable accounts into a tax-free permanent life insurance policy. The money grows tax-free inside the policy. It's harder than ever today to make money on your investments. So the last thing you want to do is share any of your hard-earned gains with the government. You don't have to if those gains are earned within a life insurance policy. If your money's going to grow, it may as well grow tax-free, right? You need to realize that life insurance is an investment, but it's better than your typical investment accounts because it's tax-free. Oh, and one more thing. Life insurance comes with something else that you can never get from the stock market. A guarantee. But how much can you invest? Well, that's up to you and the tax rules. Believe it or not, this is an area where you might want to invest the maximum you can into the policy. If you're approaching retirement or already retired and looking to shelter more of your taxable money into a tax-free vehicle, this might be the place for you. But the mistake most people make at this stage of life is trying to pay the least for the policy. So you might be thinking, how can paying less be a mistake? Everybody wants a good deal because this is an investment, not an expense. If you were saving money in a bank account, would you want to put in the most or the least? Of course you want to put in the most because this is your savings. You should look at permanent life insurance the same way, except that the investment is tax-free. So why would you keep money growing in a taxable account when it can be transferred to a tax-free investment? If you have taxable IRA funds, you can, in effect, convert your IRA to life insurance, paying tax now at low rates on distributions from your IRA, and then using that money to fund your life insurance investment. That accomplishes two things. You reduce your future tax exposure in your IRA by taking distributions now, and you build up a tax-free source of retirement funds should you need them. If it turns out that you don't need to tap into your life insurance for retirement income, then the life insurance benefit builds for your family. Also income tax-free, and for most people, it'll be estate tax-free too, depending on the estate tax exemption level. This is truly the best leverage available, and it's all under your control. Once again, I do not sell life insurance, but as a tax advisor, I gotta tell you that the tax exemption for life insurance is the single biggest benefit in the tax code. Make it a part of your retirement savings plan and your estate plan. But remember, this area of your life is a little tricky. You must do it the right way to receive all the benefits I'm telling you about. Now is the time to create a plan to rescue your retirement and move your money from accounts that are forever taxed to accounts that are never taxed. It's the taxes. You know, these two moves alone, Roth IRAs and life insurance, can single-handedly remove most of the taxes you or your beneficiaries will ever have to pay. Pretty amazing, isn't it? And all this is under your control. And this is just the taxes, the first of the 5 silent retirement killers. Tax-free financial security is now easily within your reach. Let's go back to our list. The 5 silent retirement killers. Number 1, taxes. Number 2, risk. Number 3, saving money. Number 4, uncertainty. And number 5, inactivity. Well, we've dealt with the taxes by taking advantage of the biggest tax-free benefits in the tax code, Roth conversions and life insurance.